Rejection is something everyone faces at some point, but how we respond to rejection often shapes our future. This is the story of someone who turned rejection into motivation and failure into success. In school, he was considered an average student. Teachers didn't see anything special in him. When he tried to join a college theater group, he was rejected. They said he didn't have the right voice, the right look, or the right skills. He felt disappointed but not defeated. Instead of giving up, he decided to improve. Every day, he practiced alone. In front of a mirror, he rehearsed lines. He recorded his voice and worked on his expressions. He read books, studied great actors, and trained harder than anyone else. Slowly, he started to believe in himself, even if others didn't. Later, he auditioned again. This time, he didn't get rejected. It wasn't a big role, but it was a beginning. He kept learning, kept failing, and kept getting better. Years passed. His journey was not easy. Many more rejections came, but by now he had learned to treat rejection as a lesson, not an ending. One day, his performance caught the attention of a director. That one opportunity changed his life. He got more roles. People began to notice his talent. The same person who was once told he would never succeed was now winning awards and inspiring millions. What made the difference was not luck. It was his refusal to quit. His story is a reminder that rejection is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey. Success doesn't come to those who never fail. It comes to those who never stop trying. So the next time someone says you're not good enough, don't believe them. Believe in yourself. Work harder. Learn more. Grow stronger. Because sometimes rejection is just the world's way of testing how much you want it. And if you keep going, one day your story will inspire someone else, just like his did.